Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by 5 Paisa. First, let us see what happened last week. Last week, Nifty closed about 200 points higher and Bank Nifty underperformed once again. It was up only about 150 points. There was not much big movement in Nifty and Bank Nifty, but stock-specific actions continued. Tata Steel, HDFC both did very well after the results. And I always say, in stock market, good news is a good news, very good news is a bad news, bad news is a bad news, very bad news is a good news. What happened last Friday? The US jobs data. Every Friday, the first Friday of the month, US will declare the jobs data. And people expected 1 million new jobs to be added. That is an extremely bullish figure. And I thought, in case, if they declare such a good figure, and since it's a very good news, it's a bad news for market, I thought US markets will fall. But on the contrary, what happened? A shocking news came that US economy just added only 266,000, which is far below the expectation of 1 million. That's only about 25% of expected. And even the US unemployment rate also has gone up slightly. So what has happened? This has become a very bad news. So very bad news is a good news for stock market. The US market shot up. Why very bad news is a good news? And I always say, the crying baby only gets the chocolate. So because US economy added very few jobs and the probability of Fed increasing the interest rate in the near future has gone down drastically. So the lower interest rate is good for stock market, and higher interest rate, as we have discussed in the last video, that may trigger taper tantrum. So because of that, US markets closed significantly higher. And not only that, even many emerging market futures have gone up. SGX Nifty closed 120 points higher on Friday night. So as usual, since US markets are higher and Monday Asian markets are likely to open higher, and then we may start with a positive bias. As I always have been saying, the only headwind for us is the coronavirus. Even yesterday, India reported more than 4 lakh cases. For the past 1 week, it has been hovering around 4 lakh cases. A significant rally can be expected only after the corona subsides. But until then, any major fall is considered as a buying opportunity. Come to the economic data. Coming week is a truncated week. Thursday is a holiday, Ramzan. So we have only 4 more trading sessions in the coming week. Only 3 trading sessions for the coming weekly expiry. And on Wednesday, consumer price inflation data, index of industrial production data are supposed to come after the market hours. And they both are expected to be very, very good. Inflation is likely to go down. Index of industrial production is likely to pick up. And anyway, since Thursday is a holiday, so this data's impact will be seen only on Friday, which will be the next weekly expiry. But if you look at the corporate results, Asian Paints, Lupin, Dr. Reddy, Cipla, and L&T. So these are the 5 Nifty 50 stocks that are set to declare the results. And out of the 5 stocks, 3 are from pharma sector. So therefore, pharma stocks may be in focus in the coming week. What was very, very significant thing that happened in the last 1 week? The India mix has gone down nearly 10%, which means that the markets are not expecting any bigger move going forward in the next few weeks. And this is surprising despite the fact that the coronavirus cases are hovering around 4 lakh per day. And one interesting thing is that the corona cases are going down all over the world except India. So in future, if it goes down in India also, then it's a global phenomena of coronavirus cases going down. So that is a positive thing for global markets. However, our headwind may continue for few more weeks. Coming back to open interest, and I find that 14,500 put option having the highest open interest among the put options, and 15,200 has the highest open interest among the call options for weekly expiry. There was a significant addition on Friday also. Because there are only 3 more trading sessions for the coming weekly expiry, Nifty closed around 14,800. So it is 300 point down and 400 point up. That's because market is slightly bullish. And if you see, for the last 2 weeks, I've given a range of 14,200 and 15,000. And in fact, for last 2 weeks, it has been trading in that range only. But now, since the market has turned slightly bullish, so we are shifting our range from 14,200 to 15,000 to 14,500 to 15,200. So let us see whether this happens. But however, a word of caution, normally the bull markets climb the wall of worries. But however, these coronavirus cases are still a big problem, and even Tamil Nadu has announced 14 days complete lockdown from Monday, and more states are announcing the lockdown. So it is time to be cautious. Nifty above 15,000, we have to be a bit cautious. So avoid taking long positions and play only through options with hedging. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.